Today is a historic day as it marks the handover of the antiretroviral drugs which you see uh, here as well as which are sitting in the FPPS warehouse downstairs. It's a consignment, it's a generous a gift from Government of India to the Government of the Republic of Fiji and to the people of Fiji. You are well aware about the HIV crisis and pandemic here in Fiji, but India has offered this generous gift, which was discussed and was agreed during the visit of Honorable Prime Minister of Fiji, Sitiveni Rabuka, to India in August of last year. So we are seeing a tangible realization of that agreement forged in August. And we are very happy that we have been able to secure the supplies of the life-saving ARV drugs today, which will immensely benefit to deal with the HIV crisis here in Fiji. So as you see here, the medicines are across a number of categories. They weigh around 3 tons, which is more than 3,000 kgs, and the estimated value would be around 2.5 million Fijian dollars. It's a gift from Government of India to the Government of Fiji, and FPPS, who is the agency which will manage its distribution onwards to benefit the people. As we just heard, the Government of Fiji and the health system is very much looking forward to utilize the drugs which have been given today, handed over today to benefit the people through its distribution channel, and we would rely on FEBS and its distribution. I would say it's a growing health partnership. The health partnership between India and Fiji is strong and growing. If you would recall, between December 21 and 2023, we have provided few tranches of ARV drugs in the past, but this would represent the biggest consignment of drugs, HIV drugs so far. We are very happy to be able to realize that in so short a time after the Prime Minister's visit, which really talk about the strong and growing partnership. Velumani Dosti, as we call it. But health partnership between India and Fiji has many other pillars, very strong pillars. We have the 100-bedded super specialty hospital, which is coming up in Suba. We are undergoing the tendering process, so hopefully the construction of the project will start soon to benefit the people. But we're also planning to have a second Jaipur foot camp. Again, that was agreed between both Prime Ministers in August, and we should have such camp early next year, which will benefit by providing free prosthetic limbs to the people who the amputees. So that's another facet of the health-related partnership. Besides that, we are ready to provide sea ambulances and dialysis machines, as was announced by Prime Minister of India, Honorable Prime Minister of India, in the third Forum for India-Pacific Island Cooperation Summit in PNG in May 2023. So we're working on all those aspects. But ITEC program is something which is really, really beneficial for building capacities and training. And we just saw that there are 2 Fijian health professionals right here sitting in the room who underwent recent training in India and ITEC. Since 2014, more than 850 Fijian youth have benefited from the capacity building training exercises across all areas, not just related to health, but across all areas. And we want that to grow even further. That will bring our 2 peoples together closer. I think so. India-Fiji partnership has a very, very strong future, and we're all committed to deliver that promise as per the guidance and vision of both Honorable Prime Ministers of India and Fiji.